Yes, ready. Today, when we are discussing about industrial development of the country, it is definitely true that there has been so much of progress from the beginning of the first plan till today stop. Industrial production has gone up 5 times since 1951. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India, laid the foundation of the major industrial policy in this country, so that major and key industries are established in the public sector stock. We are proud today that many of the basic and key industries have been set up in the public sector stock. Industrial policy resolution adopted by parliamentary in 1956 has laid down the basic principle for industrial development in the country, the pattern of development, the role of the public sector, the private sector, the small scale sector, and so on. Stop. We should also remember that the framers of the Constitution had also the same idea when the Constitution was drafted. Stop. They enunciated the principle that the concentration of economic power in a few hands should be discarded. Stop. These are the main guiding principles behind the industrial policy resolution and for the industrial development in our country. Stop para. When we discuss the industrial policy, the main question which arises is the incidence of population on agriculture and how it can be brought down. Stop. Many honorable members have pointed out that though there has been industrial expansion, the incidence of population on agriculture has not come down. Stop. There are also other factors which are responsible for this. Stop. The basic point is the population has increased many-fold. Stop. This is one of the reasons why, perhaps in spite of the successful industrial expansion, we have not been able to decrease the incidence of our population on agriculture. Stop. But at the same time, it creates a new thinking progress. Stop. It makes us think as to what we should do about it. Stop. It raises the question as to what we should do in the industrial sector so that significant employment opportunities are generated for the young and educated men. With this end in view, the Prime Minister announced a new program for the employment of educated youth. Stop. The Honorable Minister for Industry has also said about this in the consultative committee meeting yesterday. Stop. I was reading from the papers. As per his statement yesterday, 218,000 unemployed educated youth have been given financial assistance by the banks to establish new industries. Stop. This is a new saga. Stop. This is a new type of approach. Stop. Earlier, the financial institutions were giving loans only on the basis of security. Stop. Now the stress on development of new entrepreneurship. Stop. Para. Mr. Vice Chairman, a discussion on the appropriation bill has provided the honorable members with yet another opportunity to offer their valuable views and suggestions on the functioning of the railways. Stop. I thank all the members for their active participation in the discussion and for the very constructive suggestions given. Stop. I shall in the course of this reply try to cover as many points as possible. Stop. Such of those points as are not covered by me today. Stop. Will be answered through individual replies to the honorable members. Stop. Para. I fully share the concern of the members in regard to expeditious completion of the ongoing projects. Stop. It will be our endeavor to try and obtain additional funds for the railways in the course of the year so as to step up the allotments that have been made in the budget. Stop. I also fully share the anxiety of the members in regard to taking up new projects, particularly in areas which have hitherto been poorly served by railway transport. Stop. Our efforts in this direction are limited by the fact that we have a large number of ongoing projects and it would not be in anybody's interest to add on to the list endlessly. Stop. Nevertheless, keeping in view the aspirations of the members, it will be our endeavor to selectively take up new projects as and when additional resources become available. Stop.